Hi, I'm Bouwer Bosch, and I've been a Bouwer for 41 years. And today I'm here at Knights Court Development Site, the second lifestyle estate by Central Developments here at Castlegate Residential. Look at this. It's already a small little country of its own, huh? I mean, why move to Cape Town when you can afford housing and living here at Knights Court in Waterkloof Ridge, huh? It's also right next to Castlegate Shopping Centre. Look at how close it is. That's not just any shopping centre, that is Castlegate Shopping Centre. I mean, it's got a Checkers for the weekly trolley run. There's a Woolies for when you're feeling fancy and there's budget. There's also a Planet Fitness for when we sign that gym contracts in January. #dadbod. I mean, look here guys, it's paddle or padel. You can literally play a game and then on your way home grab all the groceries. That's insane. This is not just a development, this is a lifestyle. I mean, top security, world-class amenities. This is basically the Sandton of Waterkloof Rift. These units are going to sell faster than Ozempic in Pretoria East. And the access? Well, you can get here faster than a Land Cruiser sells on Facebook Marketplace. It's just off the N1 and the R21. Easy living. Crocodile tears from the people that regret not buying the last time. So whether you're looking for your next home or you're an investor that likes to plant money where it grows, Knights Court is for you. Jump on opportunity today. Ha! Knights Court! Units from R1,090,000, all costs include. I mean, that is incredible. Even your January budget would approve. So buy your unit today before the Real Housewives of Pretoria beat you to it.